Hello guys. So I wasted my Robux on this Fox Game Pass. I don't like it that much, honestly. Wait, how little can we turn? Yeah, I don't like this Game Pass at all. I don't like it at all. It really sucks. Don't buy it. Don't buy any aminos. Hey, wait, we're gonna do an aminal driving a rocket. Yeah, we're gonna do an aminal driving a rocket. I'm gonna name this video Fox and a Rocket. Fox and a Rocket. Yeah, that'll get views. That'll get views. Fox and a Rocket. That'll make me views. Fox and a Rocket. Guys, it's a Dr. Seuss book. Fox and a Rocket. Don't buy this Game Pass, please. This video's for fun. I bought this Fox Game Pass a couple years ago and I hate it. Don't buy it. Just don't, please. Yeah. Don't buy it. It's cool in the beginning, but like long term, don't waste your Robux, please. Why isn't it letting me equip the jetpack? Is it no Fox and a Rocket? What is happening? Fox taking an elevator to the rocket. That's what this is. Yeah, okay. No, I just need to place down a lever. And I should be good. Bro. Ayo. Let's... Fox and a rocket trying to get up. The fox and the rocket failed miserably. I'm almost there. Oh. This video is for comedy, I guess. I don't have the pink candy effect. I need to get that back on. Yeet. I'm just gonna... Okay, we're done with that. I act like I started a whole new video. Alright guys, my pet fox is driving a rocket. So... yeah, he's driving a rocket. My pet fox is very crazy. Oh, it's going down. The rocket is going down. Beep, beep, beep. Vote in the comment section of this video what Roblox game I should do next. I won't do like, you know, like Adopt Me and Meep City and stuff. There's a comment that gets the most likes. I'm gonna do that one, okay? Or search it up. I have no idea. Bye guys. Don't bite the fox.